So today I'm gonna be playing another monkey game for the first time.
This is your first time?
No, well, yes and no, cause like I've gone in it, but I didn't know how to join the server. So yes and no. All right, come. We have to find batteries. I think. Well, cause I've watched some videos on this too.
Wait, no, I think those are batteries.
What?
The things, the orange thing.
No, they're not. Come. Oh. Another battery for me. Oh, I found all 3 of my batteries.
Wait, once you find all 3 batteries, you can go in here?
Yeah, then that opens, I think. From what I saw from... Wait, don't go out.
But how do you collect them? I can't collect them.
They're in different spots, I think, for us. I think the monster's there, so just hold up. Alright, we should be safe. Come on. Here's my 3rd one.
Are they big?
Yeah, they're big, so just look for them.
Wait, so was one of them the orange things?
No, there's no I mean, here. Just you'll see there'll be green, blue.
Are those glowing lights on the roof? The batteries?
No, those are just lights for a 1-year anniversary. Come check here. Is there something there, like a battery?
Yeah, it's orange.
Okay, now come. You have to put it in here. Hurry, the monster's coming. No, what color is it? And it should be able to go in. What color's the lights on the side?
On the side, it's blue.
Okay, so did it go in?
Oh yeah, so then Duffy, those orange things were a battery because there's an orange.
Alright, so go get them. I'll wait here for you.
No, come.
Fine. Yep. Yeah, you are. Oh, you died.
Okay, so let me grab this. No, this is green.
Alright, come the way I first took you. Oh no.
Hold up, there's a monster.
Yeah, I know. Alright, come.
Where are you?
I'm over here. Step out, look.
Yep, and the orange one.
Quick, move this way. I can't wait for this game to come out. Folk Valley. It's a horror game on a Tesla.
Wait, Folk Valley's gonna be a game?
Yeah.
Okay, it's open. Come on.
Alright. So here we have to find a code. Like,
is there a backrooms level?
no. Oh.
We don't have a flashlight.
So see, this is where you would type in the code.
Oh. Is there monsters here?
Yes.
I can't see.
Wait, come back.
Wait, but there's an arrow.
This way.
But the arrow's always right.
No, because in a lot of these rooms there could be, that's where the codes usually are. Alright. So 7's my first number. What's yours?
1, and then it's 7. It says 1
Okay.
equals 7.
Yeah, so that's your number, 7. That's the first number.
It's the same for everyone, Dottie.
No, it's not. It's different, but since I think we're... Oh no. A monster's coming. Get in. Get in. So this is the last digit, 0. So our first digit's 7 and...
No, my last digit is 8.
Alright.
It says 4 equals 8.
Well, mine says 4 equals 0. So, alright, come on. It's safe. So when you hear those footsteps thingies, that's...
I know those are the monsters. I've played this game.
So then why would you ask if there's monsters? So 7, 0. Oh no. Yes. Alright.
Okay, 3 equals 5.
Wait. Monster's coming. Get in. So
3 equals 5.
7 for me. It's 6. So it's 7, and then I just need the second digit.
Yeah, mine is 7. Whatever the second number is, 5, 8.
Mine's 7. Whatever the second digit is, 6 is.
Mine's probably 7258.
You don't know that. Oh, I see the green one. Come. So 7. Get in. Oh my god, that's the black one. Okay.
It's behind me.
Let me type in what I have so far.
Should I try 7258?
Wait. Just 7.
7358?
Hold up, Dad. Someone texted me. Hold.
Dottie.
Yeah.
Okay, you're back on. So, I was just typing in random number. Mine was 7458.
Let me try that. Wait, what was my second?
Your
one?
first one was
7. What was my second? 6, right?
We didn't find. No, we didn't find.
I mean, what was
we
my
only
third?
found-
What was my third?
I don't know. Mine says correct, but I don't know what to do when it says correct.
I'll show you. I got mine. It was 7660. All right, now we gotta go back to the start. Just die.
Behind.
Just die. All right. Just die.
Okay.
Alright, hold up. Hold up, that's... Just... Okay. Now we have to go back to the start. Hold up. You have to die. Alright, now we have to go up. This is the last level. So yeah, there's nothing else to do here. Yeah, you win.